Vineyards represent life. From the young grapes, the sound of babies, the crying of kids, the silence, the peace. But how do people drink wine? Well, you've often seen and heard, you talk about Asians who take tea bags and they dip it and there's tea. And what they do is they will actually mix the wine and the tea. Does it happen? Absolutely it does. For me, palatable, but not the way I like it. And that is quite well known that in China they do that. Perhaps 20 years ago, perhaps even today, but far less. I'd like to share with you Coca-Cola. If I do drink Coke, I enjoy drinking it pure. But in a region in Spain called the Basque region, they mix their Coke and their wine. And they call that calimocho. Try it. Try them both. Something different. But that's tradition for you. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.